So you've finally taken that big step and opened your own business. Now you need an eye-catching logo that's going to really capture the essence of your brand. And you can pay somebody a lot of money to create it for you and have limited revisions, or you can create it yourself with a free version of Canva and have unlimited revisions until you're completely satisfied. Watch this video and find out how exactly to do it. Now, if you don't already have an account with Canva, it's super easy to create one. You can create a free account with them and have access to literally thousands of elements and pre-designed templates. Or at some point, if you want, you can upgrade to the pro version, very reasonably priced, and get access to even more features and templates. So today we're using the free version because I want to have a chance to show you just how many free templates and free elements there are for you to use. So we're going to come up here to the top right hand corner, click on Create a Design, come down here to Logo, and it's going to open up a blank canvas for us. Now you can create your own from scratch by going into Elements, using text. You can use your own brand colors, which we'll talk about in a minute. But let's get back up here to design. These are all of the pre-designed logo templates, and you can see that there's just tons and tons. So you'll want to narrow down the field of options by typing in something that's closely related to your niche. So let's say we're in the health and fitness industry, and then you can further niche down by scrolling across the top here and just choosing whichever one of these most closely relates to whatever your niche is. So let's say we're in health and wellness. And again, you see that there are even more options to niche down. We're just going to stick with health and wellness. And remember, any of the designs that are marked with this crown, those are pro version features only. So we'll have to stick with the ones that are not marked with the crown. So let's pick this one. Nice little pop of color. Now, a couple things here. These are vector files, which means this particular image, the colors can be changed. A raster file, you would not be able to change the colors. So I wanted to show you a couple things here. First, we've chosen this as our starting logo, and we're obviously going to make some changes to it. But as we scroll down, if we see a color palette that we like this, maybe we like this style, but we're not crazy about the colors. And we do like these colors. So click on the three dots, click on Apply Colors, and then hit Shuffle. Okay, so that's not really a good one to use because it's just too dark. So let's try this one. And you can shuffle colors until you get the right color combination that you're going for. You can do that with any of these that are included in this section. That's kind of fun. So, and then let's come over here and change our business name. And obviously you can change the font, you can change the color of the font, the size, but let's keep it as it is, but let's change the second part of the logo to a different font to make it really pop. Okay. Now, as I mentioned, you can apply your brand kit if you have the pro version. If you don't have the pro version, you can apply a limited color palette. So as you can see, everything else within the brand kit is designated for the pro version. But if I come in here to the color palette, I can choose up to 3 colors to include in my palette. And then you'll notice if I try to click on a fourth, it's going to open this window, indicating that it's a pro version feature. So, but I can choose up to 3 colors. And if we want, we can apply our palette to this logo. And just because we've applied our palette doesn't mean we can't continue to modify. So let's pick a different background color. You can pick a different color for any piece of this that's editable. Okay. So as you can see, it's pretty versatile. All right, so let's say we've got our logo all set the way we like it, no more changes necessary. Now we're going to come up and, because we want to save it, so we're going to come up and click on share. The best, probably the optimal way to download this would be an SVG file, but SVG is only available to pro users. So we are going to use PNG instead. So we're going to hit download, and there's our logo. So that's it for this video. I hope that was helpful. Now you know how to create your very own logo and modify it, change it, whatever you want to do with it. So get out there and start creating. I'll see you in the next video.